the flooded caverns can play tricks on you in other ways. What seems like air isn't. It's just another kind of water. This is a halocline, a meeting of fresh and salt water. Fresh water from the jungle flows over the heavier salt water from the sea.
وهو الذي مرج البحرين هذا عذب فرات وهذا ملح أجاج وجعل بينهما برزخا وحجرا محجورا